AK26 Tutorial 12, Panoramas and Virtual Tours. Realistic color renders are powerful tools that help visualize a space exactly as it will look once built. Beyond color renders, AutoKitchen lets you create panoramic views and virtual tours, which give customers an even more immersive understanding of the design. Panoramic views provide a circular, 360-degree look at the entire room, typically from its center. Virtual tours allow users to walk through the space and change materials or finishes in real time. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create both a panoramic view and a virtual tour, using the same design from Tutorial 11. Creating a panorama view. Begin with the kitchen tutorial file from Tutorial 11. This kitchen includes two recessed ceiling lights positioned between the island and the window wall, along with an Auto 01 light set at 40 intensity. This light has been moved slightly off-center, positioned behind the island. Confirm that your light intensities and positions match these settings. Under the photo menu, set the render level to medium. Then, under background, select no background. These two settings will affect the quality of the panorama we're about to create. Next, click View and select 3D to ensure both ceiling and floor are turned on. Click the Panorama button. The tagline reads, "Create a panorama file." Next, create a perspective view. Position the mouse over the island and point toward the refrigerator wall. Click the green check mark on the perspective window to confirm. The panorama dialog window appears. The first setting, resolution, offers three options, low, medium, and high, which determine the size of the panorama in pixels. Select medium. The next setting specifies the panorama mode. If not already selected, choose Render. Then click the folder icon to name your panorama and choose where to save it. If unsure, save it to the desktop. Check the box labeled Publish. This will place a copy of the panorama in your cloud, making it easy to share. Click the green check mark to confirm. A progress bar appears while the panorama is created. When the panorama is complete, the Video Panoramas window opens showing the result. This window contains controls at the top and bottom. The lower controls are under Menu in the bottom left corner. Click the menu arrow to open them. You'll see buttons for viewing, zooming, and panning, among others. Minimize this window. Back in AutoKitchen, a dialog appears where you can name the panorama. Enter a name under Description. An elongated notification window confirms that the panorama is now available in your cloud. You'll also receive an email with a link to the panorama, which you can share by pasting into an email. Click the green check mark and save your work. This completes the panorama view portion of the tutorial. Creating a virtual tour. Start with the same kitchen tutorial file used for the panorama. Ensure the file is open in floor plan view. Click View and select 3D to confirm both ceiling and floor are on. Click the Virtual Tour button. A window appears asking you to confirm that you have sufficient cloud storage available. If this is your first virtual tour, you'll have at least one slot available. To verify storage, go to Projects/My Cloud and check the dashboard. Select a perspective view from behind the island, then click the green check mark. The Virtual Tour Configurator window opens. At the top, enter the name Virtual Tour Tutorial. Below the name, you'll see the materials currently used in the design: stainless steel for hardware, gray mountain paint for the cabinets, and Decton Kairos quartz for the countertops. The section to the right is optional. Here, you can add up to 4 alternative materials for each material listed on the left. Follow these steps to illustrate how it works. Scroll to the lower left section and click Steels and Metals. Click Quick Find and type brass. Select Brass 1. Click the plus symbol icon next to choose optional materials. Then click Copper 05 and click plus symbol icon again. The top section of the configurator now displays these metal options. Next, click Popular Gray Mountain under Cabinet Materials. From the list below, select Paints Benjamin Moore, then choose Popular Blue Springs and click the plus symbol icon. Next, click Laminates Egger, select Natural Brown Branson Robinia, and click the plus symbol icon. Finally, click Light Lakeland Acacia and again click the plus symbol icon. The top section now shows all your paint and laminate alternatives. Next, click Natural Kairos under Countertop Materials. Choose Countertop Silestone, select any material from the Silestone collection, and click the plus symbol icon to add it as an alternative. Click the green check mark to confirm. A short progress bar appears, followed by a confirmation window stating that your virtual tour has been uploaded to the cloud. To view your virtual tour, open Projects/My Cloud and log in. On the dashboard, click Virtual Tour, then select Virtual Tour Tutorial. The file opens in a larger window. At the bottom, you'll see Click to View VR along with buttons to rename or delete the tour. Click the image to begin. The virtual tour will process briefly before opening. Navigation instructions appear on the right side of the screen. A small menu in the lower right corner provides several options. Change materials, click the brush icon to replace original materials with the alternatives you added earlier, shown on the left. View with goggles, use this to view the tour in VR. Add background, insert a background scene. Adjust light intensity, modify the lighting as desired. Increase image quality, choose between 3 levels, 1, 2, or 3. Full screen, expand the view to full screen. Reset camera, return to the default camera position. Access help, open the help guide for additional instructions. This completes the virtual tour tutorial.